The most populated countries in the world are expected to remain China and India, with both countries having over 1 billion people. India's population is expected to surpass China in April 2023. The world population distribution is changing rapidly, with some countries experiencing significant growth while others face challenges. And here are some countries with fast growing populations and the full detail all countries. World population prospect, the 2024 revision world population prospect published a United Nations population estimated for all world countries and every year from 1950 to 2024, as well as projection for different scenarios, low, middle and high variants. The figure present and the middle variant projection for giving area note the reader the United States and all the different countries that the most populated and population best country of the award in 2005. Which country has the most population in 2025? India population continue to surge ahead, making it the most popular country in the world and the most population country that most 2024 to 25. The 8 highlighted inspected to account for about half of the world projected population increase. India, Nigeria, the Democratic Republic of Congo, Pakistan, Egypt and Indonesia. The best population and the largest amount of India is set to become the world's most popular country by the end of decade, overtaking China. According to the latest edition of the 10 most population country in this group are China, the United States of America, Brazil, in Russian Federal, Japan, White, and in article we will listed countries expected the most populated in 2030, their population growth pattern, countries with fastest growing population by 2025, the full detail and all data, human population, the following table showing the largest countries by population and the most demanding. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for more detailed videos.